Hi guys, it was me. I opened the door and now the alarm's going off and my Nana's in the store. Oh no.
It's raining! Pouring down!
We're just sitting here laughing our butts off because the alarm's going off on the truck at Dollar General, so this is just super funny and everyone's staring at us.
And it's pouring down rain.
I'm totally posting this on YouTube.
No!
This is so funny!
Okay, fine.
Okay, hang on, let them hear the horn. The lights are even flashing. Oh my gosh.
Can other people hear it?
It's even louder outside. Hang on. It went out? We want to open it again.
Don't!
Oh crap, dude. You open your door. Locked. Locked. All the way.
No, Venus!
Get it! Get it!
I can't!